Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video for VideoPal, and I'm excited to show you the software in action today. It's a new video software that allows you to tap into 3D animation people that can voice over about your product when someone visits your website, your landing page, your sales page. This is a really cool sales tool. Now, you're seeing an example of how this works on the screen right now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a demo of how the software works step by step so you can understand what you can do with this software and whether it's for you and your business. Now, you've got a number of different animations. So I first clicked on New Project. You've got 2D animations, you've got 3D animations, Human Pals, and you also got My Videos. So you can actually upload your own videos into here. Now, the Human Pals, you can actually see them here. What they are, and I'll turn up my speakers volume now, is they're basically people.
Hello, my name is Asiya, and I'd like to welcome you to our website. Please check out the wide selection of high-quality.
So you can see here that they are actually people that show up with your website, okay?
Hi there, welcome. You're in luck. You're at the right place at the right time. We just launched our brand new product.
So what they'll do is they'll be able to voice over certain types of pages for you, and they'll show up on the screen as a person, in-person video. Now, you've got 3D animated videos as well. Now, these animations, the unique part about this is that you can actually add your own voice to them, or you can add a voice of your choice. So you can actually choose from a range of different voices that are text-to-speech voices that you can then use. So let's try this one, for example. So what it'll show is it'll show this person at the bottom of the screen with the voice of your choice. Now, we've seen Human Pals before. That's been done a few times, and you can choose from these different Human Pals. So you can actually add yourself, I believe, as a Human Pal. What we're going to do now is we're going to go and we're going to select a person here that we can then use. So to select a person, you can preview them and then click on their name like this. Then click Next. Now what we're going to do is we're going to enter in the text that they're going to be speaking. Now, the great thing about this is not only do you have a few different languages, you've actually got different types of languages. You've got Indian English here, you've got Canadian French, you've got Castilian Spain, British English, you've got Australian English, Brazilian Portuguese, and a whole range of different types of voices. So let's try US English as an example. We've then got ready-made scripts that we can use, or if you wanted to, you could type your own script in and you could actually have someone read this out. Now what I'm going to do is, and you could also translate these scripts as well, which is also really useful. Now, first of all, you've got different types of voices you can choose from.
Hello? Oh, my name is Joanna. You can pick me as your text-to-speech human-like voice engine for your video pal.
Let's try another one.
Hello, my name is Sally. You can pick me as... Hello, my name is Kendra. You can pick me as your text-to-speech human... Hello, my name is Kimberly. You can pick me as...
Hello, my name is Ivy. You can pick me as your text-to-speech human-like voice.
So you can see you've got a range of different text-to-speech voices you can choose from, or you could actually upload your own using this My Audio file, or you could actually use your own voiceover, and you could actually record a voiceover right now, like I'm doing right now. So you could actually have, hey, this is Sam Backer. I am, welcome to my website. Opt in to the box to the right. We can stop, and we can actually use that audio that I've just created. Apologize for the cough. I am, welcome to my website. Opt in to the box to the right. So you could actually use this audio with your person if you wanted to, or you could do a text-to-speech. So say, for example, I wanted to use a offer discount. We'll enter it in. We can put in my name, or we'd put in, we might put in Kate. If it was a female, for me it's a male, so I probably should have chosen a male in the start, but that's okay. Kate is my assistant, we'll say.
My name is Kate, and on behalf of everyone on our team, I would like to thank you for visiting us today.
So you can sound, the voice itself is a little bit robotic, but you can see that it communicates clearly what you're trying to communicate. Now, once you've got your text-to-speech done, then you go next, and you've got a choice of a button, an Aweber form, a GetResponse form, or a SendLane form. Now, these forms will actually go over top of your speaking person, and I highly encourage you to, if you're using this, have your speaking person actually do a call to action. So actually have them say, opt in right here at the end, or a call to action. Click this button below me right now. So let's choose Aweber, Now you don't need to add in your details, but hopefully you'll have details for Aweber, or you can follow the instructions to add those. You can also color your form as well. Once we've done that, we can choose how many minutes or what a delay will be on it. So it might be 10 seconds, for example. Then click Next. Now we can choose where our person's going to show. They're going to show on the bottom right. We can show how off the bottom they will be. We can also add in a YouTube video URL if we wanted them to pop up with a video URL. We don't in this case. We could close after playing, yes. We can do blackout mode. Now I believe that's that at the end it blacks out, or the screen blacks out as they speak. Then we can say play once per visit, yes. Show mute button, yes. And then click create. Now it's creating a video pal right now. It's processing it, and it'll take maybe a few seconds, and then our video pal will be rendered and ready to go. So once you've done that, then you just need to name your video pal. So it might be video pal Sam. You put in your URL where this video pal is going to show up. So it could be on sambacker.com, for example. Then you've got an embed code, and all you need to do for this embed code is copy it and add it into the website of your choice, and then you're ready to go. Now when you embed this, it's going to show up and it'll be ready to go. Now it's showing an error right now. That's because this is a test account, and currently it's not letting me add my video pal to the place. That's because it's a test account. But when you do it, you won't see this error. It'll be done, it'll be ready to go, and it'll be able to be added and work on your website. Cool, so that's what the video pal does. This is what you'll be able to do with this software. I hope this is showing you exactly how it works, the different options you have for your video pal, and you now understand exactly what this video pal is. Thanks for listening. This is Sam Backer. Go down below to find out your bonuses, and I'll talk to you again soon. See you later.